देखते हैं कि एक्चुअल में बेसिस पे डिस्कशन भेजा या नहीं भेजा। Crazy! मन कर रहा है ब्रांड बना दूं। You can just go to ChatGPT and say, give me a and the camera that we're using is the Fuji. Anyone who's selling a graphic T-shirt below 900, you really need to question. क्या टेक्निक निकाली है तूने करने के लिए? क्योंकि लाइट्स मैग्नेटिक है।
साथ में कंस्ट्रक्शन वहाँ मजदूर से चुरा के लाया हमने।
I'll create a strategy for that and I'll share it with you. So today's question that I'm answering is. Just received a new package from Ludhiana about our summer collection. देखते हैं कि एक्चुअल में बेसिस पे डिस्कशन भेजा या नहीं भेजा. Okay. Reverse ringer tee in brown. So we're actually, important update, we are changing the fabric to lycra now. And earlier for these slim fit version 2 t-shirts, you must have seen in the blog also, when we did the shoot for this in the factory, we were doing cotton, like pure cotton, which I thought would look more premium, but it just looks more premium when you touch it. Like even this looks premium, but वो बस देखने की चीज़ है. But this, when it's lycra, it fits way better. Like this will, and this fit will remain like it is. So for slim fits, I've realized lycra fits way better, bro. Cool. ये भी crazy कलर है भाई, बहुत प्यारा है. Perfect color. Fuck man. भाई क्या कूल लग रही है. मेरे को फाउंडर ने बोला है कि रेगुलर फिट भी हमें ट्राई करनी चाहिए. मेरा रिस्पॉन्स है भक. And now the shorts that we're launching. Bro, I love these crazy. Yo. These are the new t-shirts that we're launching. इसके साथ shorts देखो भाई, crazy. मैडनेस. ये इन्होंने स्मार्ट किया, अलग अलग कलर अलग अलग साइज में भेजा तो साइज सेट समझ आ गई. इसमें से 1 इंच लेंथ कम होगी और 1 इंच हाथ से कम होगा तो इसको लार्ज बना सकते. ये देखो वाह, ये देखो भाई, वो देख सर मस्त नहीं लग रहा? ओह वाओ, बेवकूफ बेकरी. So we are shooting a reel in the middle of nowhere in front of a random ass cafe. And that's the thing, you gotta embrace the cringe. Everyone will stare at you, but you just don't have to give a shit. Chale?
भाई कैसों के साथ बाहर निकल आती हूँ मैं.
Woke up late, going to the gym late, having Karan Aujla's energy drink brand. Doesn't look premium at all. Packaging is really bad. Colors are really bad. Branding is bad. Taste is bad. I love Karan Aujla, but I don't know about this. अब मेरे अंदर आ रहा है, अब launch an energy drink brand.
तेनू बाद च मिलूंगा मैं. I just wanna say thank you Lord.
Back from the gym, just want to let you all know कि I had another flavor, the Berry Blast, and I said मन कर रहा है brand बना दूं. The thing is, ऐसा आजकल बहुत लोगों को लगने लग गया है क्योंकि the ease of launching a business has reduced drastically, especially because of the AI age and the availability of all information. You can just go to ChatGPT and say, give me a launch plan, right? And that sounds very easy. The thing is, it's not really about the first 100 customers. It's about the first 1,000 customers. That's the first problem. After that, it's about expanding, scaling. Until you reach a very big point, you won't even be able to make money from it. So ऐसा मत सोचो कि just because it's very easy to launch a brand, I should launch a brand. I want you to launch brands, but think very deeply before doing it.
Because I look good, I smell good, I feel good,
And you sing good.
and make love good.
Chai versus coffee. पापा एक एडवाइस दो मेरे व्यूअर्स को. उनको बताओ कि वो जब मेहनत कर रहे होते हैं तो वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, तो डिस्ट्रैक्शन से कैसे बचें?
फोकस, अपने एम के ऊपर फोकस रखें, फिर डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो.
So we're just recording the graphic t-shirts video, and I just had a thought because I was speaking into the camera. I want to tell you guys this. ये YouTube video में I can't put in the Be Your Best channel, but on the blog channel this goes very well. What I want you to know is, anyone who's selling a graphic t-shirt below 900, you really need to question how they're doing it, because it's not really possible. Because if they are actually selling a graphic t-shirt below 900, the quality will be shit. It will be shit because I have done my research. I know it. Below 900, a good quality graphic t-shirt is not possible. Just is here to shoot the Adidas reel today. Let's go. East Side gang. East Side.
तो शूट नहीं हो रहा है, मैं सिर्फ दीवार डालने वाले हैं यहाँ पे. हमारा प्लान है.
Yeah, but क्या टेक्निक निकाली है तूने करने के लिए? क्योंकि लाइट्स मैग्नेटिक है.
तो इस पे ये एक्चुअल मैग्नेट है. तो हम लिफ्ट में गए तो वहाँ पे हमें एक्चुअल लोहा नहीं मिला जो ये चीज कर पाता है.
तो हमने फिर साथ में कंस्ट्रक्शन वाली वहाँ मजदूर से चुरा के लाया हमने और हमने 500 रुपये भी रखे हुए इसके बाद
प्यार से मांग के आए.
प्यार से मांगे हमने. और तो अब इसको हम लिफ्ट में ऐसे करेंगे डबल टेप एंड देन उस पे फिर
Yo. So this is the setup we've made. ये लाइट लगाई हुई है. उसके पीछे this is the portable charger जो कि MagSafe से it's sticking to the metal plate and then metal plate पे is sticking the light. So to save time on shoots, which is very important for us these days, we have got from Amazon and we got the charger right now. So we'll be able to quickly charge and then we can have 2 batteries for our camera so that between like once the one battery is over, we need the other battery, especially when we're outdoors. We don't have to stress about charging the camera, etc. So the less load on your brain about non-value add stuff, the better you'll be able to concentrate on the actual activity. Now, for our camera, we've got the BCW235. We could have got like a third-party company also. It's more expensive, but मेरे को कोई risk नहीं लेना है. That's why. And the camera that we're using is the Fuji XS20. You remember when we got this camera? कैसे याद होगा? We never posted that vlog. Here's a flashback. तो अब हम जा रहे हैं GP Pro. मैंने कीबोर्ड खरीदा है. कीबोर्ड, माउस और मॉनिटर. ये तो गूगल पे लग रहा है.
इसमें कुछ मिलता नहीं है, इसमें कुछ तो मिला है. नाइस.
और मेमोरी कार्ड इसमें ऐसा कुछ. Moral of the story is always spend money on things that save you time and stress. So today morning my dad said something really crazy. He said, तेरे अभी भी 8 lakh subscribers हैं, बड़े नहीं बिल्कुल. And I was like, bro, we are not focusing on subscribers at all. I think we should do that. I'll create a strategy for that and I'll share it with you. Until then, this is how we celebrated 700k subscribers last time.
Yank that fucking chain off. My shit more Sub-Zero. That boy better have all stay. Please don't be a hero.
आज जया आई है हमारे साथ.
अगर ये किसी ने भी डाला.
We're shooting a Look Smacking episode today. Wearing the best polo ever. So we're starting a new section in the vlogs where I answer one question that you ask in the comments of the previous vlogs, and the question has to be something related to business and nothing else, no fashion, etc. But just like business, the core business. So today's question that I'm answering is, by how do you go about building such a crazy network? I mean, in every other video, you meet some CEO, that too of some reputed brand. What helped more, your degree or the fact that you're a leading creator of your genre? My degree does not help with the network, this kind of network at all. My degree definitely helps with having good, intelligent friends who I go to for advice. But when it comes to building my network with other CEOs and why other CEOs actually want to talk to me and, you know, network with me, it's mostly because I am now one of the leading creators in my specific genre. So, of course, there's a lot of business opportunities that I discuss with other founders and CEOs, and it's purely so. If you also want to network with other founders, of course, there's one method is that you give them some value, you reach out to them and give them some value, or the other method is you become so good in what you do that the other founder is super interested in how you built what you have built, and that's the case with me right now. And if you want to ask me some other specific question about business, definitely go ahead, ask me in the comments, and I might answer it in the next video. Also got another really cool thing. This is the stand that I use for my sunglasses, but it's very difficult to use and the size is weird, and I don't know, I just don't like it that much, so I got a new one. It's already unboxed, and this is the stand. This is way cooler. I gotta now pack for Jaipur. We're going for something really special. You'll get to know in the next vlog, I think. Tab tak